All nature has a feeling. Woods, fields, brooks are life eternal, and in silence they speak happiness beyond the reach of books. There's nothing mortal in them. Their decay is the green life of change. To pass away and come again in blooms revived. Its birth was heaven, eternal its stay. And with the sun and moon shall still abide. Beneath their day and night and heaven wide. Nature is beautiful. But it's not always beautiful.
I don't know what happened. Everything hurts. I don't know how long it's been. I just need to get out of here. I think this was the way. Or maybe this way. It's a little creepy out here. Let's just go a little faster. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I think there's something out here. I don't know if I'm gonna make it out of here.